Ready? Good morning, Sujata. Some network issue came, yes. Uh, because of that only, beta. We'll start the class, please. I'm sharing the link to everybody. Okay, let's start the class. Good evening, Lucky. Good evening, Siddharth. Sorry, good morning, Siddharth. Network issue, beta. Because of that, for both that, what you called, it was difficult to join, beta. We are starting the question sessions, please. Linear inequality, third session. Linear inequations, third session is there. So let's see. First question is 5x. Note down, Nishika. Note down. 5x by 4 plus 3x by 8. We'll start the work. Payoja, good morning, beta. Is greater than 39 by 8. This is first equation. Okay. Second equation is, note down nicely, 2x minus 1 by 12. Tomorrow you have complex number test, grade 11, offline. 2x minus 1 by 12 minus x minus 1 by 3 less than 3x plus 1 by 4. Come on, solve this question. Ah, two questions, yes. Good morning, beta. Shall we start the session? Now start solving the questions, please. See, look here. First is 5x by 4 plus 3x by 8 greater than, strictly it is not inequalities, the strict inequations are there. So shall we start questions? 3x by 8 greater than 39 by 8, 2x minus 1 by 12 and minus x by beta. Here na, in many times they will not be giving you bracket. Bracket also not given means it is common taken. Okay, that is self understood. Come on, go for it, please. So what is the region? Come on, say the region, please. For equation 1, x is greater than 3. Equation 1, x is greater than 3 coming. Okay, next one, beta. Siddharth, you have to merge both of them, beta. See, you need to merge both of them. And then you need to find out the common part. That's the most important. Rudra, are you there in the group? Now look here, beta. For this type questions, you need to merge both of that. Once you are merging it, after that, you need to find the common part. Okay. Come on, go for it. Try this question out, beta. Can I solve? Can I solve this question? Okay, first equation done. Second equation part we need to check. Come on, I'm going to solve this question. Tomorrow you have complex number test. Don't forget. Now look here. Offline complex number test. Prepare very nicely. Two competitive questions will also be there in that. Now look at first cross multiplication 8 5 40x plus 3 4 12x by 4 8 32 cross multiplication. Now here 39 by 8 will be there. This will shift this side. First to 52 x by, because you look here very nicely, you check there 4 or 2 2 4 plus 1 5 2 32 greater than 39 by 8. So here 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, again 1 3 and 2 8s are 16. So 13, check here, 13 I am solving very slowly. 13, this minus 39 by 8 is there, okay, and that is greater than 0. So 13x minus 39 by 8 greater than 0. So 13x is greater than 39. Both part will be coming. So x is greater than 3. Strict inequality, first phase done. Okay, Divya, good morning, beta. So tomorrow you people have to come with an A4 sheet with A4 sheets. Okay. So now here 3 will be there. Open. This is x belongs to 3 to infinity. Done. Now next question we are going to solve. See, if bracket is not given, x is greater than 3, x is greater than 0. Very good. First one is coming, x is greater than 3 and x is greater than 0. What is the common area you are finding, beta? You need to find that one. Next is cross multiplication. 3, 2x minus 1 minus 12 x minus 1 by 36, okay, and here minus 3x plus 1 by 4 less than 0, okay. So here it will become 6x minus 3 minus 12x plus 12 minus 3x minus 1 by 4. That is, here we will be multiplying this section because 36 or 9. 9 3x plus 1 by 36 less than 0. So here it will become 6 to 12, so minus 6x. After that here plus 9, here minus 27x, okay, minus 9 by 36 less than 0. So here plus 9 minus 9 will get cancelled. So how much it is coming? 20 minus 36x less than 0. So here minus x less than 0. So x will be greater than 0. Minus x less than 0. So x will become greater than 0. Children, be very careful after this because we got two areas. Now check very nicely. Second part, x greater than 0 coming. Means here 0. Now this time not included, x greater than 0. Now beta, we are going to merge both the regions. First one case we got x greater than 3 to infinity. Second part what we got? X belongs to 0 to infinity. So case 1 and case 2 regions we are going to merge. So what is the final answer coming? The final answer will be coming from here, it is coming as 0. See, first one you merge 0 to 3. This is 0 to infinity. Okay. Now next one is 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity. 3 to infinity and 3 is not needed. 3 is not included. But what is the final answer coming after seeing this? What is the final conclusion you have drawn? So by seeing that, see this region and this region, when you both merged, the common region means overlapped region or the intersection part will be the answer. Understood? So here first one you have drawn, first one you have solved, first one done. Understood? First region you have found, second one region found. Now you need to merge both of that. Okay? First one starting from 3 to infinity. Second one 0 to infinity, but 0 and 3 not included. And when you are taking both of them, what is the final answer coming? The answer will be x belongs to open interval 3 to infinity. Understood? And in that you need to write that intersection 3 to infinity, 3 to infinity, intersection 0 to infinity. Then answer will come 3 to infinity. Understood? So 3 to infinity, intersection 0 to infinity. The one which region will be common will come. So 3 to infinity part will come. I hope it is clear to you. Come on. Is it okay? Now solve next question. Are ready for next question, children? Now listen. So like this type questions were region finding. One more question I am giving you. Solve this question. Are you ready, everyone? Come on, say quickly. So this is about two region merging and finding the values. This is done. Now we will go for this type questions where they will give you like this. 0, note down. Nishika done that one, beta, previous one done. So 0 less equals minus 2 by 3 less equals 3. So now this type solve question solve. 0 less equals minus x by 2 and minus 3. So when you have to find that region, so there is a common. So this part questions you try to solve. Solve. What is the answer? This is first question, simple question I have given you. You find and tell me the reason for this. What is the reason given? So if they will ask you in MCQs for this question, how you are going to respond to this question? Come on, say. I'm giving you options. First option for this question, minus infinity to 6. Second one, 6 to 0. Third one, 6 to infinity. Please note down, write down the answers. Minus 6 to 0. So these are the options I have given you. So now tell me the correct options here for this solving question. 0 minus x by 2 is exactly minus x by 2 is greater than 0. So previous question done. Then please kindly answer this question. Siddharth, Payoja, Sujata, anyone answer? Lucky? Anyone answer the question, please? How to do these type questions? Okay, Divya, now look here, beta. When you are getting these type of questions, how you are going to solve these type of questions? First check. First, you convert them into case. Case first. When you are doing for case first, this is coming minus 6. So here you have to break this two. You need to break it into two parts. First part, this section, and second part, this section. Okay, so now it is divided into two parts, first part and second part. Payoja is telling option D. Okay, very good, Payoja, that was indeed very fast. Now look at it. First one we are going to solve. So here this minus x by 2 is there, so we will shift it this side. Okay, we will shift it this side. Now it will become x by 2 greater than 0. What was greater, now it will become less. So that means x by 2, because minus x by 2 is greater than 0. That means x by 2 will become less than 0. Once you have done that, Sujata is telling the answer D. Siddharth also D. Very good. First Payoja, then Siddharth, and third Sujata. Super. So now beta x will be overall conclusion x less than 0. So here x less than 0, open interval we are going. So here 0 to this part we are going left side. This is first one. Second case is minus x less than 6. Okay. So now we are going to shift this one this side. It will go 2 multiplication will be there on both sides. So it is coming as minus x less than 6. So that means x is greater than minus 6. X is greater than minus 6. Second region is x greater than. Please don't do those works. Please don't do those works. Don't say hi or bye to students. I request you. You are coming here, you study, or don't disturb the students, please. So now x is greater than minus 6. So beta here we will write minus 6x greater. So here this part is coming. So here minus 6x greater. So minus 6 greater part, when we are doing like this, it is coming this section. So x belongs to minus 6 to infinity. So this is first part is beta. When you are, okay Samya. So now look here beta. So first part is x part. When you are writing, this section is coming what beta? X is less than 0. So we have done x less than 0, went this side. This time we went this side. So we have to merge both the regions. First region is this one. Second region is this one. Merge both the regions beta. So first region is, and we are going to do 0 and it is less. Okay. With other colors we will do so that you will be able to understand this part. Okay, second region is this section beta. Given it is minus 6 to infinity. So minus 6 to infinity, I am doing upper region so that you can understand here. Understood. Now for first one and second one, which is the common region coming? The common region coming is this part. But these two values are not included because it's a strict inequality question. So x will be, final answer is coming to minus 6 to 0. So option D is absolutely correct. Siddharth, Payoja, Sujata, absolutely correct answer beta. Now we will go for modulus. Okay, because modulus, Okay. Okay, so modulus region we are going to solve it. A modulus region related questions we are going to solve. Is it done? We will go for the next one. Now modulus part we are going to solve. Now write first question for modulus. How to handle modulus? If 3x minus 2 is given in modulus part and it is written less equals 1 by 2. How to handle modulus? Now look here beta. So modulus will have two values beta. Modulus will have, very good. Super. Congratulations. Hi, beta. Congratulations. You're a student of IIT. That's very, very cool. But let me teach, beta. So, one rule is there. If A minus R is less equals A minus R, X minus A, sorry, x minus a is less equals r is there. Okay, so x minus a less equals r will be there. At that time it is implied, and implied by means we are going to do one thing. It will become a minus r x, and here it will become a plus r. You see, one time a minus r and one time it is a plus r. A minus r, a plus r. How? Now one simple method I am going to teach you. Look here beta. First work how we are getting in modulus, like this answers. Okay, now first work is we will solve with any number. So x minus a, we will make it equal to r. Okay, so here x minus a less equals r was there now. So x minus a equal to r. So once the modulus will break, it will give plus r and minus r. Done. So x minus a is equal to r. Now shift this a this side beta. So x will be equal to a plus minus r. Done. A plus minus r. Understood? So here, understood? So x is equal to a plus minus r. This is exactly the work we are going to do. First, what we have done, modulus of x minus a is less equals r was there beta. We didn't see the inequality. Okay, we just check only one thing, this part. After that, this is the exactly given solution. Okay, but how this part came, first I am teaching you. So first what we have done, once we have seen this one, we are going to make it equal to r. Now minus a, because modulus will break. Whenever modulus is breaking, it is going to give you two solutions, plus minus 2. This is the values of x. So same way, when this modulus will go, it will become plus minus r. So x is equal to a plus minus r. Now region finding. So here usually a minus r will be here and a plus r will be here. And beta, whenever we do inequality, it will always start with plus, minus and plus. Understood? So since your modulus part is less equals r, so that means we will check only the negative region. So this will become your answer. And these two regions will also be included. This is the most important part. Got it? This is the most important part. Come on, check this one out. So modulus of x minus a is less equals r. After that, what next we have done? We have done a minus r. This part is the formula. But how we got it? Modulus part is equal to r. X minus a is equal to plus minus r. And this value, and then this region is coming. So only in inequality, you are writing x a minus r, means x value lies between a minus r to a plus r. Understood? A minus r to a plus r. No problem, beta. You both can play outside. Okay? So a minus r, a plus r. So in shortcut, whenever some questions are given to you, how you are going to handle the question? Just like x minus 5 less equals 7 given. So shortcut way, what you are going to write? A. So 5 minus 7 and 5 plus 7. So minus 2 to 12. In just one shot, we can finish it. Concept I have explained beta. So now look here. So most important thing is x minus 5. X minus 5. This is exactly the most important part here beta. We must understand. Siddharth, Pyoja, everybody understood this part? Everybody understood this section, how I have done this? See, concept clearly I have explained that when modulus section is there, modulus will always take two values of x and one value of y will come. Okay. So now here for two different values of x, one different, okay, one value of y will be there. So here when modulus of x minus 1 will be equal to r is there beta, so the r will have plus minus r, understood? So now x minus a is equal to a plus minus r, so a minus r and a plus r, and the region is coming negative because here modulus is lesser part. Now here instead of this part, so whenever we will be seeing the questions, we need to solve like this. So now look here, we will go for this question with concept I am teaching. First, you make this equal to this. So, modulus of x minus, so this part will be equal to 1 by 2. Once the modulus will go, it will give you plus minus 1 by 2. Done. Now, you shift that one this side, this side. So, one time two cases are coming. Case number 1. First, resolve it. 3x minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Now 3x is equal to 2 plus 1 by 2 beta. 3x is equal to 5 by 2. Now x will be equal to 5 by 6. This will become one part. One value is coming as, yes, you can ask. So x will be equal to 5 by 6. Okay. This is first part came. I hope everybody understood this section, how to go to this level. Now next part is when you will be going to the second section, 3x minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 2. So 3x is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 2. So 3x is equal to minus 1 plus 4, 2 to 4 by 2. So 3x is equal to 3 by 2. So it will come as x will be equal to 1 by 2. X will be equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So half to 5 by 6. Absolutely correct, Divya. Now here beta x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 5 by 6. Correct. So now here first we will write 5 by 6 is bigger or 1 by 2 is bigger. So if you will be solving here, it is coming as what value beta? That is coming as 0.5. And that one is coming as, children, please don't do this. Whosoever you are, if you will do this, means lastly I'll block you. You're disturbing everybody. If you really have intention to study, it's good. No, that's not. You need to delete that, or otherwise I will delete you. I'm seriously saying you, because you're disturbing from the beginning. I'm sitting here, standing here to teach, and you're disturbing the entire class. That's not good. That's a different thing. That's out of your contest. You know Divya, not knowing Divya, that's not my business. Okay? So please kindly behave properly. So here 1 by 2 will be there and here 5 by 6 will be there. Okay? Because it is less than, then we are going to color this region and we are going to color this region and we are going to take this part. So here x belongs to closed interval 1 by 2 to 5 by 6. This is the answer. Okay? You came to disturb me, not to disturb the students. I know this. Come on, check this one, students. So it is 1 by 2 and 5 by 6. 1 by 2 and 5 by 6. Absolutely correct. 1 by 2 and 5 by 6. Done, beta. We'll go for next question, please. Ready? Shall we go for the next question? Fine. So now next question we are going to solve. Ready for the next question, please? Next question is, solve this question, beta. Come on, go for it. Solve this question. When x minus 2 will be less equals 5, what could be the answer? X minus 2 less equals 5. When you will be doing this question, you please be careful. Okay, I told you one simple logic. Now we will use that logic. What was the formula? X minus a less equals r was there. So one time a minus r and second time it is a plus r. Done. A minus r and a plus r. So here this is a and this is r. Okay. So here it will become, what is a? So x minus a and r is there. What is a? A is 2. So 2 minus 5 x 2 plus 5. So minus 3 to 7. This is the shortest way. Minus 3 to 7. This is the shortest way. So that means x belongs to closed interval minus 3 to 7. But this will not be the case when you will be solving. This will not be the case when you will be solving for modulus greater than part, because what will be the conclusion for greater will be totally different. So for greater, what you need to do? Little bit change will be there. X minus a modulus is greater than r. So if x minus a modulus is greater than r will be there. At that situation, what we are going to do? So first work again, x minus a will be equal to r. Done. So now beta here, because here modulus is there, once you remove modulus, it will become plus minus r. So now one time, so x will be equal to shift this minus a, it will become a plus minus r. It will be 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 a plus minus r, correct only. So it will be a plus minus r. Once you have written this one, so one time you need to write a minus r and second time you will be writing a plus r. Now here, because here this is plus, minus and plus, this section and this section will be included. So once you are including these reasons, this value will come and this value will come. So for greater than part, you need to remember, then where is the wrong steps? Please tell me. 5 is there, a minus r, a plus r is there. Come on, check. Minus 3 to 7, coming correct only. So now look here. Second part is x will be less equals a minus r and x will be greater equals a plus r. This is for modulus. This is for modulus. Understood? This is for modulus. So on modulus part when you are solving. So here beta x minus a, that is not minus a. Got it? That is not minus a. You need to shift that part. A value totally you have to take. Check this one out. That's what I told. A have to shift that side. A has to sit, if you will see the previous part. Come on, same question we are going to solve. X minus 2 greater equals 5. So if x minus 2 greater equals 5 will be there, same work we are going to do so that we can understand the previous question. So now x minus 2 plus minus 5 will come. One time x minus 2 will be equal to 5. So it is coming as 3. 7, sorry, 5 plus 2, 7. That means what? It is coming 7. Second is x minus 2 equal to minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 plus 2, minus 3. So now you have the region. So previous question, if you are telling it is wrong, you need to check this one out. Come on. So in previous question, what was my previous question? My previous question was x minus 2 greater equals 5. In that, what value we got is between minus 3 to 7. Okay. This only we got. That is x belongs to closed interval minus 3 to 7. Now this time we did x minus 2 less equals 5. So this time what value is coming? First 7 you are going to put and then minus 3. So for greater than part, this part, sorry, first we have done this section and now we are doing this section. So when we are doing this section, we will take positive regions. Okay. So when we are taking positive regions, means this part will come. That means x belongs to minus infinity to minus 3 closed interval 7 to infinity. That's it. So both are done in one step. I have done both of them in one step. Nishika, did you understood that part? See, look here. One modulus is less than type. In less than type modulus, what you need to do is you need to find a negative region. Understood? So here what we have done, the simple concept here is कि whenever modulus part is there, it will give you two values of x, one negative and one positive. So when you are writing the negative part, so with negative you have to resolve and with positive you have to resolve. Understood? And you will get two values of x. You have to present that on number line. Understood? Once you are presenting for less than type, you take negative value, and for greater than type, you take the positive region. That's the only thing. Got it? So positive and negative section, I hope everybody understood. Come on, check nicely. You will get the answer. I hope it is done. We'll go for the next question. So both the reasons. Now I hope you might be able to correlate the contents. Okay. Now we are going to merge both of them together. One time less than and one time greater than. And then we will check our answers are coming correct or wrong. So here 1 less equals x minus 2, and that is less equals 3. Now, if this type question is coming, how you are going to respond and solve? Your question is 1 is less equals modulus of x minus 2 and modulus of x minus 2 is less equals 3. Then you need to resolve it in two regions, it will come beta. Come on, go for it. Now you say the answer. Little bit flickering is there. I'll move. Here you are going to do union or intersection. That is the most important thing to be checked. Union or intersection you are doing, that need to be checked. Let's see this one. So first I am going to take this one. When x minus 2 is greater equals 1, then x minus 2 is greater equals, I wrote less equals, greater equals 1. So when x minus 2 is greater equals 1, at that case we have learned one thing. You need to write a. This will become your a and this will become your r. Okay. So a minus r and again a plus r you are going to write. So left side, right side, a minus r, a plus r you are going to write. And here x will be less than this and x will be greater than a plus r. This is actually the rule. This is the rule. Okay. So now we are going to respond like that only. But solving section we need to solve it, because if mistake will come means problem will come. So what we will do, x minus 2 equal to 1. So x will be plus minus 1. So one time we will take positive region, one time we will take negative. So here x is equal to minus 1 value. So x will be equal to minus 1 plus 2. It is coming as 1. Now x minus 2 is equal to, we will take it as 1. Now x minus 2 is equal to 1. So x will be coming as minus 2 plus 1 will become 3. We got 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 2. 1 and 3, because greater than is there, so we will go outward. This is positive region and this is positive region, positive and positive. So first part, this section done. Second section is x minus 2 less equals 3. X minus 2 less equals 3. Good morning, Santosh. So here x minus 2 less equals 3 is there, beta. That also rule we know, that is a minus r to a plus r. This was the rule, okay, for less equals. But now we are going to solve. This is taken as a and this is taken as r. So now we are going to solve it. After solving only we will find. Mistake means problem will come. So here one time plus minus 3 will be there. So x minus 2 equal to 3 we will take. So x is coming as 2 plus 3, 5. And one time x minus 2 equal to minus 3 is there. So x will be equal to minus 3 plus 2. X will be equal to minus 1. Done. Now we are going to draw this region. Very carefully draw these parts. One small mistake, either you will go for any competition exam, anywhere, you will have trouble, not me. So here 3. Now beta, this time we are going to color the inward region because modulus is less. So whenever modulus will be less, it will take the inner region. So this is minus 1 and 3. So here this is the inner part, that is the negative region. Okay. Now it's time to merge both the regions together. Got it? So here minus 1 is there and 5 is there. Minus 1 and 5, and this part was 1 and 3. Now it's time to merge. With two different color I am going to merge so that you can understand. First yellow color I am using 1 for the first one. It is coming minus infinity to 1. This is the first part. Now the second one is, that is minus 1, and it is going from minus 1 to 3. Minus 1 to 5, I guess. Yes, minus 1 to 5. So this part is coming minus 1 to 5. So if we will merge that together, if we are going to merge it together, yes, absolutely correct. So this region will come common and this region will come common. Only these two regions are exactly overlap. So what we are going to write? Minus 1 to 1 closed interval union 3 to 5. Minus 1 to 1 union 3 to 5 beta. Did you got this point, please? Say this one. Nishika, samajh mein aaya? See, listen. First work is, when you are seeing these type of inequalities, what work you need to do? First work is take one side and then solve. For here, x is modulus of x is, that is modulus of x minus 2 is greater equals 1. For greater equals 1, we are searching the positive region. How positive region we are writing, beta? The positive regions are coming here. So if you are writing here a minus r and a plus r, understood? So positive will come here, negative and positive. Understood? So you are going this side and this side. Got it? So this is for when modulus is greater. When modulus part is greater. But when modulus part will be less, you will have to get the negative region. So always you have to select the region between both of them. That will exactly clearly solve your problems. I hope you might have understood this one. Okay, are you ready for next question? Are you ready for next question? Yes, absolutely correct. Minus 1 to 5 is the second part. First one was 1 to 3. So minus 1 to 5 and 1 to 3, you need to merge and find the common region. I hope everybody done this one. Come on, say. Siddharth, is it done? Siddharth, Payoja, Rudra, Sujata. Is it done, beta? Then I'll go for the next part. Yes? Okay, beta. Super. We'll go for the next section. When modulus will be up and down, both will be having modulus. That time we need to be very, very careful. So modulus region, I hope you might have understood how to correlate with modulus sections. So this is exactly there in your book. till maximum we have done that part. Okay, maximum sections we have solved. Payoja done beta? Super. So that means like this only for modulus. One more question for you I'm giving. Nishika, solve this question. Modulus part, one more question like this I'm giving you. After that modulus content I'm going to teach different part. Different sections of modulus we are going to do after that. Okay? Modulus question, but we are going to solve modulus question. Is it done? Shall I give another question? If somebody will give you like these questions, beta. Modulus of x. Good morning, Mino. Modulus of x minus 1 by modulus of x minus 2 greater equals 0 beta. Try this question, please. Modulus of x minus 1 by modulus of x minus 2 greater equals 0. Try this question, beta. Try this question and find the answer. Say the region first. What region it will give? Any idea or should I solve? Should I try or you want to try? But when both numerator and denominator is having modulus at that particular session, how we are going to respond to the question? That's very, very important. Numerator and denominator both are having modulus at that particular moment, how we are going to solve the question. Now look here, can I solve it? Because I've given much time. So for this now, first we are going to check this one out. We will write something. Now look here. First, we will take modulus of x equal to y. Any other variable, simple part we are doing. So what we are going to write now? So here it will become beta y minus 1 by y minus 2 greater equals 0. Done till here, no problem. What we have done, we have taken modulus of x is equal to y. Modulus of x is equal to y taken. So once you have taken modulus of x is equal to y, now we have numerator and denominator, both side is having modulus of x. So now what we have done here, beta, we have written modulus of x is equal to y, means we have taken y minus 1 by y minus 2. Okay. Now here, you need to remember one thing whenever you will be writing this section greater equals. So now first we need to define the region. So now I told you in the previous class how you have to respond to this type question. How we are going to respond to this type question? First you resolve y and then you think about modulus. Okay, if you really want to go perfect means first you need to check what and all work has to be done and then you need to go for further. So beta here it will become y minus 1 and y minus 2. So first we will write here 1 and 2. For greater equals we will always be taking positive region. So this part is the positive region and this part is the positive region. First I am resolving y because y minus 1 by y minus 2 is there. So y minus 1 by y minus 2 means positive region. That means y is less equals 1 and y is greater equals 2. Understood? So this is two things you have got for y. Now, but what is our y? Our y was actually modulus. So did you understood what I did? See, modulus will become typical if you will be exactly taking directly see, many students, what they're doing is they are taking modulus of x as plus minus, and then they are writing it into two different region. Definitely it will be difficult. First you remove modulus, take it as any other variable, you substitute there, and you bring to this level. This part is coming. Once this section is coming, after that what you need to do, our modulus was this, got it, and your modulus part is coming, modulus of x greater equals to. But here one big problem is there. You need to understand and you need to realize this part. When you are talking about this part, numerator section is this one. But denominator you can't write like this, because the value of 2 should not be there. Because the moment you will put x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 will become 0, and denominator part will become infinity, which will not exist. Or if you will write x is equal to minus 2, modulus of minus 2 will also become 2. 2 minus 2 will become 0. Again it will become infinity. That means both the cases of 2 and minus 2 should not be taken. So here we are going to remove the case of inequality and we will put strict inequality. For denominator region, we have written. So how y is less equals 1? It should be y greater equals 1. Yes, Siddharth, it is very, very important, beta. Now I'm solving this part, Siddharth, and then you see this, beta. Now look here, Siddharth. I'm solving it one more time. Till first part you have understood now that modulus we have taken as y. Now, beta, we are going to write this. One logic I told you, na Siddharth, both side y minus 2 square we are going to take, beta. Now this and this got cancelled. You have y minus 1 and y minus 2. Beta, first of all, don't think it is modulus. For first phase, don't think it is modulus. Now, beta, for greater equals, how we are drawing? For greater equals, Siddharth, we are starting with 1 and 2, beta. And whenever greater part will be there, so here, this section, positive regions are taken. Positive regions are taken. Whenever greater part is there, which regions are taken? Positive regions. And negative regions should be avoided. Okay. So negative region should be avoided. So now, beta, y value will come as, so what we are writing, actually what we are writing here, we are writing, Siddharth, as here x will be greater than, sorry, y is here now. So y will be coming between, y will come for what? Y belongs to minus infinity to 1 union 2 to infinity. You are writing like this now, beta, two regions. But beta, since y is not actually variable, it is modulus. So what we will do, and modulus, because for time's sake we have taken that so that we can bring modulus value out. For that part, what we did, so this section one part will become, and with this section another part will become. So beta, here y is less than 1. Understood? So y is less equals 1, and for this region, because y is modulus of x, so this region y will be greater equals 2. Understood, beta? Now listen, Siddharth. Since 2 is in denominator, we can't write this one, because if you will include 2 for y value, understood, that particular region, it will become infinity. Why? Because this by 0 will become infinity. The moment you will put x is equal to 2, 2 minus 2 what will become what, beta? 2 minus 2 will become 0. So denominator part will become infinity. Minus 2 also in place of modulus you will put, it will become 2 minus 2. Again it will become infinity. So here two regions came. Understood? So now, Siddharth, now is it okay? Now look here, beta. So this part will become, so this section we are writing this. So we'll write, since modulus of x minus 2 is in denominator. For understanding, I wrote. Understood? So strict inequality will be there. So now, beta, strict inequality will be there. See that, is it done, beta? Understood or not? Now look here. So now here x is less equals, y is less equals. Now we have to write modulus less equals part and modulus greater than part. So for modulus less means, beta, it will have two values, minus 1 and 1, and the answer will come between this region. Got it? Now, beta, if this part is there, modulus of x is this. So actually this will become what? Minus 2 It will go from -2 to infinity, and this part will come 2 to infinity. So this is for greater part and this is for lesser part. Now we need to merge. Question is how y less equals 1? It should be y greater equals 1. No, beta. No, because see, you need to understand that y value. See, one thing is there, Siddharth. You do one thing. See, y less than 1 will be coming, beta. It will not be after that. After that, y minus 1 is greater equals 0. Y minus 1 is greater equals 0. No, beta. Y minus 1 and y minus 2 both are greater equals 0, Siddharth. Nishika, see here. Y minus 1 and y minus 2 both are greater equals 0. Beta, you got two factors, Siddharth. Are you understanding, Siddharth? You are getting two factors. What and all two factors are coming, beta? Can you check? See, you are getting two factors, beta. Here two factors are y minus 1 and y minus 2. In the previous class, if you will see, in the previous one you have seen, beta, in the previous video if you will see, whenever this type contents will be coming, whatever factors are there, that serial content we are writing here. Understood? And we are selecting the regions of negative and positive, Siddharth. Okay. So when you are selecting for negative and positive, this region will go less than and this will go. So we have to go from minus infinity to minus 1, beta. So y has to be less than now. Y has to be less than. Check nicely. Y has to be less than 1. Less than 1 means you are going left. Greater than 2 means you are going right. Check one time, Siddharth. See, understand this. I understood where you got stuck. Y value, see, because, see, both are factors. So when one factor is there, directly we are writing Siddharth. But when two factors are there, we need to find region. Okay. Now, when you are finding a region, now look here, beta. If any value negative, you will write. See, Siddharth, one simple work I am doing so that you can understand. I told y must be less than equal to 1. Correct now? Look here. I am doing one small work. You will understand. Now here your content is y minus 1 by y minus 2. I am taking any value between 1 and 2, Siddharth. Now you check, is it going to be greater equals or not? Your total factor is coming this one, na beta. So if I am putting y is equal to 1.5. So 1.5 minus 1 and 1.5 minus 2 greater equals 0. 1 point, it is coming 0.5, but here it is minus 0.5. And here, beta, how can negative be greater equals 0? How can negative be greater equals 0, Siddharth? And here only our region part is going to be accurately designed. Understood? Siddharth, dekha, did you saw that part, Siddharth? Ki when little bit of, if you will do mistake, if you will find this region and substitute here, then negative answer is coming. Negative cannot be greater equals 0. Negative cannot be greater equals 0. So we are going to take negative. So when two factors will be there, the factors will be only selecting the positive region. When two factors will be there, what they are going to select? Positive region. And always positive starts with left, negative, positive. Understood? So this, by this rule, positive. So y value should be less than 1. The moment you will take any value between 1 and 2, this inequality will be disturbed. Got it? So positive region has to be taken, beta. This is a rule of taking positive for factors when two factors will be there. So now here x minus a and x minus b greater equals 0. When this factor will be there, it will become x belongs to minus infinity to a union b to infinity. Like this, beta. So that means this part x will be less equals a and x will be greater equals b. This is the rule, beta. This is the rule. So that, is it clear now? If doubt will be there, Siddharth, immediately pick any number between 1 and 2 and substitute where you have taken. The moment you will substitute, this part is coming as negative. And once it is coming negative, beta, that means that region is not at all included because our question is greater equals 0. Understood? So now, beta, here first modulus section is between minus 1 and 1 and second region is coming this. Now we are going to merge both of them together. When you are going to merge both of them together, West Bengal board beta. So first part is minus 2 will be, I am going to write, and then I am going to write minus 1, 1 and then 2. Now beta here it will be coming, between first one is coming minus, see check, 1 to 1. So first I am going to color this region, space is not there. Nishika, did you noted that? Between minus 1 to 1, first you color this region. This is the first one. Second one is minus 2. Minus 2 will come here or here. Minus 2 region is coming. Check very nicely. Understood? Check very nicely, beta. This part is minus 2 to infinity. So minus 2 regions to infinity will be coming. And this part region is coming is 2 to infinity. What answer is going to come? So here the solution will be exactly union sections will be coming. So here 3, 4 regions are coming, plus minus plus minus. This is exactly the most typical part of the question. This region included, this region included, this region included. So all the regions you are going to include here because of modulus, because modulus is strict part here. So here you need to write minus 1 to 1, minus 1 to 1 include, union minus infinity to minus 2, union 2 to infinity, because it is modulus question. So modulus question, when fractions are given, please remember this part what I am saying. When fractions are given, there you need to take out whatever regions are coming there. Okay, so when fractions are coming, you need to take out all the regions which is exactly selected. Fraction means numerator and denominator. For numerator, you were finding the common between them. But when numerator is also modulus, denominator is also modulus, then we are selecting all the regions that is coming between both of them, because it's a total numerator by denominator fraction part is there. I hope till here everybody understood. Can you say me? Is it clear? Till here, is it clear? This is one of the most important thing, beta. So this section is fractional part is most important part. You need to remember these sections. Otherwise, last what you call word problem I will bring, and region division I will bring. It is very important. This is some extra content I am teaching you from Inequality of NCERT book. So little bit, if you will have grip, means word problem you will be able to solve. Okay, any level questions will be able to solve with modulus. So 2-3 more typical questions of modulus I will bring. Okay, and then word problems, some NCERT miscellaneous word problems are there that I am going to bring. Tomorrow you are having your complex number test. Please kindly join that session offline. Okay, test will be offline and you need to attend the test offline, beta. Okay, so get ready because some twist questions will also be there. You need to write very thoroughly. Every people will get 5 different questions, and on the spot I will correct and give you the paper. Okay, that's the sort of test you are going to give now. So questions will be given differently to everyone on the spot. And I'll be checking your knowledge that time. And every test you will be getting, everyone will be getting only 3 minutes to solve one question. So test will be totally different. Okay. Bye everyone. Have a nice day.